know this is the most challenging thing for everyone.
Yeah.
So one thing, even whether we have broken a habit or coming back to the habit, or if we have never followed a habit or a discipline, so what should I do? Like one of the things that I always advise is focus on the progress, not perfection. Like focus on the progress. Like many times, let's suppose you are out of a habit, you are practicing 5 things or 10 things daily that was putting you in a flow state and everything was working. Now because something happened and you are not doing, so what you expect subconsciously that, okay, one day I will wake up and I'll start doing everything perfectly in the morning and at the right time and the right place, right way. And you are waiting for that right time, like many people keep saying like, AJ, I want to meditate, but I want to have that peaceful state, that absolute peace, no disturbance, so that I can connect with God and universe and then I meditate. Yeah. I said, if you can be in that state, probably then you don't need to meditate because you already reached the outcome of meditation.
Yeah.
So the best way is start doing progressive things, like whatever possible, start doing it. If you are doing 5 things, or if you are planning to do 5 things daily, if you are not able to do 5 things, absolutely fine. Next day, just start with one thing. If not in the morning, in the afternoon. If not in the afternoon, in the evening. If not in the evening, before going to sleep at night. But start doing it small. Like start taking the baby steps. Because whenever we want to build a new habit, or a habit has been broken and we want to rebuild or come back to it, we need to go through that process for some time, few weeks until we get into that alignment mode, that we have to take whatever possible. We should do whatever possible. Many times people ask me like, AJ, do you practice all this in this format every single day for years and years? I said, no. Like if there are some important things or there are something else, if I'm not able to do it in the morning, I do not stress out. I do not feel guilty. Like another most important thing for people to be in positive state is that, or build a positive habit, is many people keep feeling guilty of many things. Guilt, they carry guilt from many things they are not able to do. And that guilt is becoming heavier and heavier on their shoulder. And the more it is there, the more difficult for them to stay positive and peaceful and joyful. So it is very important for us to let go of the guilt so that we can go forward positively. So that small step, whatever practice possible, whenever possible, let's start doing it, take baby steps without guilt, and then we can be back in the flow.
Yeah, so it's okay to even start from square one, but it's important to start and take that baby step.
Yes.
Even if it's a baby, build on it and gain progress, gain momentum, I'm sure.